Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today we're talking about foam cannons, more specifically brand new models from Mjjc. Now you guys, my viewers, loved a few videos that I made about their foam cannons, and today, well, I'm introducing their brand new models. So the Mjjc Foam Cannon Pro and also the Mjjc Foam Cannon S. So you're gonna learn everything there is to know about these two foam cannons, what makes them so special, and what are the updates that came with it as far as engineering is concerned. It's pretty awesome, as you guys are gonna see. And of course, you're gonna see them in action. So without further ado, stay tuned, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day, so let's dig right into it. Today I'm presenting two brand new foam cannons from Mjjc. Let's start with the first one. By the way, of course, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and continue to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques. Also visit my Instagram page, again, link in the description under the video. Many cool content and original things on that Instagram that might not appear on my YouTube channel. So let's talk about the first new foam cannon from Mjjc. And by the way, as usual guys, don't forget, I'll include the links to the products in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So Mjjc are known for value-oriented foam cannons or foam lances, depending on which country you live in. Some people call it differently, but essentially this blankets your vehicle with a layer of snow foam, so a shampoo that's going to help to lubricate and encapsulate any loose dirt and contaminants and lift those off the paintwork to minimize swirls and scratches on the paint. So this here is their Pro model. So what are the differences this time? Well, first of all, look at the container. This one here will not tip over because of the wide base, so that's pretty cool. It's a very large container. It's graduated here on the side. It can contain up to 1.2 liters, and it has here marks that go up to the 1,000 milliliters or the liter, so it can contain just a bit more than that. Of course, you have a very solid brass construction. You have the control up top here for adding more or less air into the mixture, so that's awesome. It comes with many types of connectors. You guys select which ones you want. In my case, I use the standard 1/4 inch quick disconnect. The new thing about the new nozzle here in the front, hopefully you can see this on camera, but the blades, you can adjust them now for being very narrow or how wide they spread apart, and you'll have a better control of the fan spread, of course, on your vehicle. So look at that. So closer together for a wider spread, or wider apart for a more narrow fan on your vehicle. And also another cool thing that they added now. So again, let me get the perfect angle here. You can rotate the fan spread to get it either horizontal or bring it back to vertical. So that's pretty sweet. Usually those are features found on the foam cannons that are way more expensive. This here, the list price should be at around $59 US for this one. So great bang for buck. This one here is spill proof. So that's another cool thing. You can essentially fill the container up. You close it back, of course, together, and you can store it as is. It will not leak. And it has this valve here with a heavy ball at the end. So that's the suction tube for the, of course, foam and the solution, the soapy solution in the bottom. So regardless of how you angle the container, well, it's always going to be in the perfect position because the ball moves around depending on where it is. So you can do the underside of your chassis or underbody. You can do the top part of your vehicle as well. You're always going to get soap. So very, very neat feature. Again, it's spill proof. And now for both foam cannons, look at this. The way they did the fittings is very, very neat. It's basically free of any PTFE tape or glue. There's none of that needed. So it's basically a pressure fitting that screws on, and that's it. So super easy installation. You just put it on there and you screw it in, and that's it. Your foam cannon is ready to go. It's as easy as that, guys. And it produces generous amounts of thick foam. So up to 30% richer and thicker foam, or more foam than the previous first generation. So they updated the internals as well. In the box for both foam cannons, it's pretty cool because they include another filter and another nozzle here. So you can replace those. and it's easily serviceable, so it's even easier than before. So that's what they did. So let's go ahead and see the Foam Cannon Pro in action from Mjjc, and you're going to see just how thick the foam is. So what I used for the demo is Adam's Mega Foam. So that one is one of my favorite snow foams for a vehicle. I essentially use 2 ounces of that snow foam mixed with 16 ounces of water for a total solution of 18 ounces. And that's more than enough, of course, to help, well, apply the solution to any vehicle. And of course you can adjust your dilution ratios depending on which snow foam you're using, and of course which pressure washer you're using. Also, what type of water, is it hard water or very mineralized water, or is it demineralized water, deionized water? The water quality is very important, guys. The type of pressure washer also that you're using is very important. And what Mjjc did for both the Foam Cannon Pro and the Foam Cannon S is that now you can use them with even less powerful pressure washers. So even as low as 1,300 PSI, that's roughly 90 bar. Well, you can go ahead and still use that and still get thick and rich foam. So no need for some crazy amount of PSI. By the way, for washing cars in general, guys, anything from 1,000 to 2,000 PSI is more than enough. I have a high-end German pressure washer, a Kranzler 1122 TST, and I only set that to 1,100 PSI. Of course, that has a 2.1 gallons per minute output, so a lot of water flow, which is key to get some thick and rich foam. So as you can tell, there are a lot of factors that play in. One of the main ones, of course, being what type of foam cannon you're using. So with these foam cannons, you're getting awesome foam. So now with the standard version, this is the 2nd generation of their standard version. That's why they call it the Foam Cannon S. This one here now also has the upgraded fan blades, of course, that you can widen and make more narrow, the adjustable fan spread. You can also turn the fan spread just like the Pro model, 360 degrees as you wish, so vertical or horizontal. You have the adjustable aerator here, the knob, so for more or less air into the mixture, so you can control how thick you want your foam. It has that fitting that is a screw-on fitting, so no PTFE or glue or stuff like that. Very, very easy. This one here too is a liter container, so it's pretty big. And again, well, the standard stuff inside, you get your typical tube and you put your mixture in and you start using it. So let's go ahead and watch this one. This, by the way, is a less expensive version. So this one here retails for around $49 US, so $10 less than the Pro model, and still works amazingly well as far as performance is concerned. So let's go and see this one too into action. So as you saw, guys, both of these foam cannons produce amazing, thick and rich foam. The performance is absolutely outstanding. Great value for money. Once again, congratulations to Mjjc for coming up with such awesome value. I know you guys loved the first generation. And by the way, if you do own an Mjjc foam cannon, let me know in the comment section under the video. Again, I'll make sure to include the links to both of these foam cannons in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. But essentially, so we have upgraded, of course, performance from the adjustable nozzle, 360 degree. You can control the fan spread, of course, the aerators up top to control the air quantity inside the mixture for more or less foam as you want. The bigger containers, the wide body, of course, so this one, the Pro model, doesn't tip over. The anti-leak technology in the Pro model as well, so you can turn it upside down or leave it full with liquid on a shelf and it will not leak. And yeah, it's just overall a great year's experience. They even upgraded their packaging, if you can look this. So this is pretty sleek. So that's the Pro version up here, and all the cool features that come with it. You guys can, well, expect up to 30% more foam now as well. And they're pretty good, even with lower powered pressure washers. So that shouldn't be of concern. And yeah, just great overall little package. You get the, of course, in both, again, as I said, an extra nozzle and an extra filter. And this is the Mjjc Foam Cannon S box. So this one too, nice frosted black cover, and it just looks pretty cool. So great updates. So guys, that's it for the video. Smash the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. Of course, if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you click the subscribe button that's under this video. And that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. And while you're down there, hit the notifications icon. That's that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I upload a new video to YouTube. I want to give a big shout out over to the team at Mjjc for sponsoring this video and making all of this happen. Again, you guys show what value is all about, and I appreciate that. And of course, I'm sure my viewers do as well. So guys, as I usually say, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.